we're out on the pond. And I'm gonna be clearing off the hockey rink, and I might try to make another hockey rink. This is my fourth attempt making a video here at the pond. It never seemed to work out. This is our little pathway to get to the hockey rink from the trail we made. This arch and the shovel right here, it's for your back, so you don't have to bend over so much to shovel the snow. And it works great. The snow's not great for the hockey rink, but it's great for snowboarding and skiing and sledding. I'm gonna move you somewhere, maybe right here. I'm trying not to step in the snow as much as I can so I don't pack down the snow and make it hard for me to shovel. Whew, I'm slipping. It's slippery, it's ice. All the birds are out right now. I'm glad that the birds are out. I haven't heard them in a while. I guess they came back down this way because it's getting warmer. A little bit warmer. Okay, back to shoveling and less listening to the birds. But listening to the birds is nice. I'm glad they're here and it's nice to listen to them. I need to clear the rest of the snow at the edge, the rest of this fluffy snow at the edge, so the puck doesn't get lost into the snow. There's this one time not too long ago where it took us a really long time to find the puck. We needed to grab the shovel and scoop it out of the snow. or try to find it with the shovel. My hands are a bit cold. My gloves are over there, but I don't really want to wear them. That's a loud crow. The crows are talking to each other, so. I'm clearing out this little spot that's kind of away from the camera, but the little spot's used for sitting down and putting skates on and just getting ready to get onto the ice. You'll see it in a little bit. It's snowing. Well, actually, I don't know if it's snowing because it could just be the snow from the trees. Now I've got a little pile of snow here. Well, it's a pretty big pile, not the biggest pile, but it's still... Okay, it's a little pile of snow. The piles of snow on the edges are getting really tall. But they're just gonna get taller. Especially as I throw more snow onto the edges. Yeah, I think it's actually snowing, not just snow from the trees. The weather's talking about a lot of snow. Yesterday we had snow, today we had snow. I think a week ago we had snow. There was this one time this winter when we had maybe a whole week of snow. There were light snow showers, but it was still snowing every day. And it was something. I just realized I said piles of snow on the edges are getting really tall. I meant to say the piles of snow on the edges of the hockey rink are getting really tall. This is the barrier of the hockey rink. And right now the snow barrier's probably up to halfway up my thighs or up to my thighs. And yeah, they're getting tall. They used to be tiny, really tiny. Like over there. Right over there. There's only a little bit of snow there. That's what it was like in the beginning. And now it just gets taller and taller and taller. I made myself a little bench over here. And over here is the area I was talking about where we get ready to go onto the ice. Sounds like there's a bunch of geese, but they're crows. Sounds like a bunch of crows fighting with each other. They're out that way. Somewhere out that way. We're getting closer to the end of the hockey rink, but that doesn't mean we're done. Whee! It's snowing again. Hooray! But not hooray for the hockey rink. I need to get rid of this little pile of snow here. I have an idea. I'm going to put the microphone down next to where the snow is falling, and you can listen to the sound of the snow. It's snowing a lot harder now. There's so many snowflakes. They're everywhere. The ground that I've already shoveled, or the snow that I shoveled off the ice, is just back on the ice now. There's so much snow. The sun looks like the moon through the clouds. Oh, it's gone. Okay. It's snowing a lot. It's already a thin layer of snow on the ice. I guess I'll take a break from shoveling. I'm sitting on the shovel to stay dry. It's strange how you never see anybody skate through the snow, but that's what I'm gonna do. Now for the other skate. Snowing a lot. Wow. Whoa, it's snowing so much now. It's the hardest I've seen it snow in a while. It's really snowing. It's almost a whiteout. It's really snowing. So much snow. I wonder why nobody skates through the snow. It's fun. It's really fun. Sun's starting to come out. Why, I just shoveled all of this and now it's completely covered in snow. Here's this pretty big wall of snow, you might say. Or 4 skates, I should say. It's not that much snow, but it's a lot of snow for skates. But it doesn't affect the skates. I'm just plowing through the snow. It's a wonderful day out in the snow. This is great. The snow's covering the trees. It's getting sunny out here now. You can see my tracks everywhere in the snow. Since I'm out here and I'm on the skates, not my skates, might as well shovel some snow. go the other way now because I'm right-handed. So it's just easier for me to go the other direction. I made a track to skate on, but I'm gonna turn around. Actually, I'm gonna turn around again. Whee! This is fun. I wanted to say that when you're making your hockey rink, if you don't have water and if you can't get water, the sun will melt the ice for you if it's a good quality ice. It will melt all the bumps and things away. Like if it's very minorly bumpy, it will melt all the bumps away and make it smooth. So that's one thing to know when making your hockey rink. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. I shoveled, I skated, it snowed. I might make the hockey rink another time. I need to fix up the trail over there some other time. But, yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Yeah. Bye-bye.